Hello friends, today we are discussing a very important topic in engineering mechanics, the resolution of forces. Myself Debal Pramanik, Assistant Professor of SBIST. In simple words, the resolution of forces means splitting a single force into two or more components that act in different direction, but together they produce the same effect as the original force. We usually resolve of a force into two perpendicular components, one along the horizontal x-axis and other along the vertical y-axis. Let's take an example. Suppose a force F is acting at an angle theta with the horizontal. We can resolve it into horizontal component, that is Fx equals to F cos theta, and vertical component, that is Fy equals to F sin theta. Here Fx represents the part of the force acting along the horizontal direction and Fy acts along the vertical direction. The combination of these two components will give us back the original force F. This concept is very useful in engineering problem, especially when analyzing structures, machines or equilibrium conditions, because it allows us to handle forces more easily using geometry or vector methods. So, resolution of forces is the process of breaking down a single force into two or more components, usually perpendicular to each other, to simplify analysis. So, the algebraic sum of the resolved parts of a body number of forces in a given direction is equal to the resolved part of the resultant in same direction. So the resultant force R equals to root over summation of horizontal force তার whole square plus summation of vertical তার whole square. This is the formula of resultant force in the resolution of forces method. So we are now take a problem regarding resolution of forces method. A triangle ABC has its sides AB equals to 40 meter along positive x-axis, BC equals to 30 meter along positive y-axis. Their forces of 40 Newton, 50 Newton and 30 Newton act along the sides AB, BC and respectively. Determine magnitude of the resultant of such system of forces. So from the geometry we are see the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. So 30 Newton, in which the side is AC, equals to 50 meter. So AC square equals to root over AB square plus BC square. So therefore sin theta equals to 30 by 50, that is AC, equals to 0.6. Cos theta equals to 40 by 50 equals to 0.8. So resolving all the forces horizontally, that is along AB, so that is 40 minus the opposite side, that is 30 cos theta. So answer is 16 Newton. And resolving all forces vertically, that is along BC, that is 50 and the opposite, that is 30 sin theta, so equals to 32 Newton. So we know that the magnitude of the resultant force R equals to root over summation of horizontal force তার whole square plus summation vertical of all forces whole square, that is root over 16 square plus 32 square, that is 35.8 Newton. Thank you.